So kakatapos lang din namin kumain dito guys and I just want to flex the view again kasi sobrang ganda talaga niya. As in, ang sarap lang tumambay dito, very peaceful and relaxing yung vibe. Wala kasing ganito sa Leyte guys, the view itself is already enough to make you feel calm and happy. And ayun guys, hindi na kami nakapag-video after that kasi pagkatapos namin kumain natulog na agad kami. So this is already the next morning or technically madaling araw pa siya. I think around 3 a.m. kami nagising guys. Yes, 3 a.m. kasi we really plan na gumising ng aga for picture-picture. Si Ara kasi magpipicture siya with a swimsuit pero hindi naman siya lalangoy for the aesthetic lang talaga ganon. So we decided na super early para wala talagang tao and mas peaceful yung paligid. And ayun, nandito na kami sa pool area. Hindi pa kami agad nag-picture. Nag-relax muna kami for a bit kasi sobrang lamig talaga. Like imagine 3 a.m. tapos nasa labas ka, girl, nanginginig talaga kami. So we just stayed there muna trying to wake ourselves up and mag-adjust yung katawan namin kasi kakagising lang din namin. After a while, ayun, nakaredy na si Ara for the picture-picture. Sobrang ganda ng vibe, very calm and fresh yung paligid. Kaya worth it talaga yung pagising ng maaga. Then after that, hindi pa kami bumalik agad. We decided na maglakad-lakad muna. Sabi nga namin, sige mag-walking-walking tayo pero productive naman tayo today kahit konti lang. Napadpad din kami sa playground and syempre hindi mawawala yung konting laro-laro lang for fun. It was actually really enjoyable and super chill lang ng buong moment. Parang simple lang siya pero ang saya-saya talaga.